Second part of my video focuses on using Python to control digital servos. So here's my Python code. It's originally written by a French author, and I've just amended it to make it easier. It runs straight on Windows. It should run on Linux because it's basically straightforward. It uses just the PySerial library, and basically what it, I think it's probably easier just to show you what it does. So basically it sets a servo object, and then that sends and receives data through the serial ports, and you can do things, to give you an example, like move servos, set the IDs of the servos, load and unload the motors. And I think it was not straightforward to do it. As I say, the instructions, you have to kind of do it from basics. So I used this other chap's library, and here's an example of the movements. So what I'll do, I ran my program in the first part, so I'll just run it again. Okay, so it's just in a position to be ready to move now. So what it's done is, but what we'll do, well, let's move it to the first position. Okay, so you can see it's moved to the first position there. While I press enter, I'm going to just break out the program and we'll run it in kind of command line mode. If you want to read the position of those servos, you can. The object was called M1, so read servos. I think that should work. Oh, yeah, no, try again. M1 read servos N, because it gives you like a relative position to those. So there we go. So that's the position of those first 6 servos in relation to the default 0 position. You can get the absolute position if you really want it. I'll put a little additional code there. I think it's ABS, and then it will give you the absolute positions there, as you can see. A couple of other things. You'll see at the moment these servos, you can't move them. They're in a static phase because the motors are on. You can turn the motors off. So M1.servos off. And now you should be able to move them. So you can reposition the robot to a new position, and you could then read the servo positions again. And plug them back into your robot. You can also set the position of the servos. I won't particularly do that, but to just give you an example. So you can just use this code, move servos to set position, and it will do so. So nice, simple, straightforward code. You can read the position of individual servos, and then you can program further actions based on that. Hopefully that's useful. I think it's great to be able to program in Python with these robots. As in the past, you've had to use an Arduino or something else, and it's nice just to be able to use a straightforward Windows computer. Okay, hope you find it helpful.